you're hurt, you need some help. Oh God, it's everywhere.
Don't you fret, Monsieur Marius, I don't feel any pain. A little fall can hardly hurt me now. You're here, that's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close, and rain will make flowers grow.
But you will live, Ponine, dear God above. If I could close your wounds with words of love.
Just hold me now and let it bleed. Shelter me, comfort me. Don't you fret, Monsieur Maurice, I don't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt me now.
I'm here.
That's all I need to know. And you will keep
I
me
will stay
safe,
with you till
and
you are
will keep me close.
sleeping.
And rain
And rain
will make flowers.
will make the flowers grow.
She is the first to fall, the first of us to fall upon this barricade.
Her name was Ebony. Her life was cold and dark, yet she was unafraid.